Good morning, beautiful yogis. How are you today? Hope you're feeling calm, healthy, and optimistic. Today is day 97 of our lockdown in Bangladesh. Let's start with one Om. Breathe in gratitude. Breathe out, releasing any stress or fear or negativity. Let it all go. May the session be healing for our mind, body, and spirit. Beautiful. And let's start with some neck rolls. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. And reverse. Exhale. Inhale. Shoulders. Inhale, exhale, up and back. Squeeze the shoulder blades together. And reverse. Lift, exhale, pelvic bone release. 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, exhale, twist. Inhale, exhale, twist. Inhale, center. Matnicha. Inhale, exhale. 2, 3. Keep going. Beautiful. Inhale, exhale, draw back the belly button, pelvic bowl tilt. Inhale, exhale, reach up. 2, 3, 4, Tomorrow. Frog pose. Hands go in and around. Inhale, exhale. Drop the hands, shoulders relaxed. Keeping your hands on your feet, straighten the knees as far as you're comfortable. Inhale, release the right arm. Exhale, straighten out and twist. 5 breaths. Down and around. Inhale, exhale, open up. Down and around. Inhale, open up. Now wrap the left arm up the thigh. Grab the right foot. Turn the right wrist. Turn the right foot straight. Left foot toe. Hop, hop, hop. Squeeze the belly. Lift up for birds of paradise. 5 breaths. Squeeze the belly and fall back down. Inhale, exhale, left side open. Right arm goes up the right thigh, grabs the left wrist. Left foot comes straight, the balancing foot. Hop, 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 right toe, squeeze belly, lift. Straighten the foot. Squeeze the core. Back into big deep breaths. Beautiful. Bringing the feet together, knees together, arms together. Third eye activation. 5 breaths. Shoulders relaxed. Beautiful. If your heels are planted, lean forward, keeping the heels planted. Stretch the back of the Achilles tendon. And then roll up all the way up onto your toes. So we'll turn sideways. I want these heels to go perpendicular to the ground. A few breaths. Make sure your pinky toe is out, not crunched inside. 50. Binding heavy like a bowling ball. Your shoulders relax, head relax, bouncing to one side, opposite side, center. Beautiful. Roll up one vertebrae at a time. Inhale up, reach up. Exhale, move back. 45 degrees again. Meaning from this pivot point, just opposite your sternum. Below the navel, draw. Beautiful. We can bring our feet down. Last roll up and vertebrae. Beautiful. Inhale, flying like a bird, flat back. Exhale. Inhale, lift up the heart. Exhale. Inhale, lift. Exhale. One more time. Inhale, lift. Exhale. Beautiful. Shiva mudra, hands lean forward, weight under the toes, 5 breaths. Move over to one side, 5 breaths. Center, opposite side. Back to the center. Grab your elbows behind your knees and hold for a few breaths. Pull your head down. 5 breaths. Feel the lengthening of the spine. Crawl back. Inhale, lift. Exhale, crawl out to come. 2. 3. 4.
Beautiful. Flip the toes if you like. Ankles. Let's do some twists. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Beautiful. Coming into a squat. Shoulders. And let's go into obliques. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Top arm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Beautiful. Thigh pulses. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Inhale all the way up. Exhale down. 2, 3, 4, 5. Balls of the feet. 5 breaths. Ab isolation. Reach, reach, reach. Up to the sky. Exhale. Inhale. Reach to the sky. Exhale. All the way around. And back. Hip circles. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Reverse. Beautiful. Let's do a balance pose. We'll do Garudasana. Eagle pose. So left foot up, right arm up. Inhale, exhale. 2, 3, 4, 5. Bend this knee, wrap this leg. You can push the foot against the calf, or wrap all the way around and push against the calf on the other side. Elbow up or at the left hand. 5 breaths. Inhale up. Opposite foot, opposite hand. Inhale. Inhale. 3, 4, 5. Bend the knee, wrap, press the calf against the outside or the inside. stretch on the back of your shoulders and the back of your hips. 5 breaths. Beautiful. Well done, divine ones. That's it for today. Let's close with a couple of twists. Inhale, center, exhale, twist. And let's do a mermaid pose. Feet to one side. Top of fingers facing the toes. Take a deep breath. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Opposite side. Inhale. Fingers face the top hand. Fingers to the toes. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Beautiful. Comfortable cross-legged position, Sukhasana, or lotus pose, Padmasana. Let's take 5 breaths. Engage Mula Bandha, engage Jalandhar Bandha, so we're keeping our prana here. And palms at heart center. Let's close with one arm. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. And prayer for all sentient beings to be healthy and free. Loka samasta sukhino bhavantu. Namaste, divine ones. I hope you enjoyed that stretching out. And now I encourage you to lay on your mat in Shavasana and do 10 minutes of meditation, just emptying your mind and enjoying the beauty of the moment. Hope to see you tomorrow. Enjoy the rest of your day.